First of all, check this channel. This channel's videos get millions of views. The content is based on simple human body topics. What happens when humans stop breathing? What happens when humans don't drink water? And other basic human health and survival questions. When you click on the popular videos tab, you'll see numbers like 20 million, 70 million, even 90 million views. Almost every video has millions of views. There isn't a single video that stayed in the thousands. All videos reach massive numbers. This channel has around 455K subscribers, with only about 65 videos. According to Social Blade, the estimated monthly earnings are around 58K, which means they are making very high income per year. The channel has grown extremely fast. In just 6 months, it has reached a level many creators never reach. First, check the video I created.
What happens if you hold your breath and refuse to let it go? At first, it feels easy. You inhale, your lungs fill, oxygen spreads through your blood like fuel. Everything feels calm, quiet, under control. But the moment you stop breathing, a timer starts. Within the first 30 seconds, nothing dramatic happens on the outside. You still feel strong, your chest feels steady, your brain feels clear. Inside, though, carbon dioxide begins to rise. This is the gas your body wants to get rid of. As it builds up, pressure starts forming in your chest. A silent signal begins traveling to your brain.
My friend, I already have a master prompt for you. This is an all-in-one prompt. Inside this prompt, you have the script, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover script. You simply need to copy this all-in-one first script, then go to ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. ChatGPT will give topic ideas. From those ideas, select one topic. For example, what happens if you hold your breath too long? Copy that topic, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Now the script will be ready. Next, go to the script and copy the second part, then paste it again into ChatGPT. After that, copy the video script section and paste it into the third image scene section. When you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you 7 scenes that we will use for image generation. ChatGPT provides 7 scenes. Now copy the first scene and go to Pictory. Pictory is a free AI website that gives free credits, allowing you to generate multiple images and videos. Paste the first scene prompt, select the 9:16 ratio, and click Generate. The image will be ready. The first image will look consistent and clean. Then copy the second scene, go back to Pictory, paste it, and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and the second image will be ready. Then copy the third scene, go to Pictory again, paste the prompt, and generate. The third image will be ready. Continue the same process for all 7 scenes. Copy each scene and paste it into Pictory until all images are generated. After all images are ready, the next step is video generation using a free AI tool. Then go to Grok AI. I will also provide the Grok AI link in the description. When your images are ready, open Grok AI. Inside the tool, go to Settings, then Behavior, and disable the automatic video generation option. After disabling it, go to the Imagine section and upload your first image. Now it's time for the video prompts. Go back to the script page provided in the description. Copy the video prompt section and paste it into Grok AI. Then copy the scene prompts you generated earlier and paste them with the script. Click Generate. Grok AI will create video prompts for all 7 scenes. Copy the first video prompt and paste it into Grok AI, then click Generate. Within about 30 seconds, your first video clip will be ready. Download it, then repeat the same process. Upload the second image, copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok AI, and click Generate. Do this for the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th scenes. The process is simple copy and paste. Within minutes, all your video clips will be ready. Grok AI generates consistent and high-quality AI videos with sound. After all videos are ready, the next step is the voiceover script. Go back to ChatGPT and request a 3-minute voiceover script. ChatGPT will generate it. Copy the script, then go to Pictory, an AI voice website. Log in and paste the script into the text box. Choose a good voice, for example, Jack, and click Generate. Within seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Pictory gives very clear and natural-sounding voices that are perfect for YouTube videos. You can adjust the speed, tone, and voice style according to your video. It also supports long scripts, so you can generate full narration without cutting the text. Once the voice is ready, simply download the audio file and use it directly in your video editor. Then open CapCut. After opening CapCut, import all the video clips and the voiceover script into the project. Once everything is imported, the first thing you need to do is place the voiceover on the timeline. After pasting it on the timeline, adjust it properly so it fits smoothly. Then start adding all the video clips one by one onto the timeline, according to the script. If you notice that some part of the script is longer than the video, simply slow down the speed of that video clip slightly and adjust it so it matches the voiceover timing. Once everything is synced, increase the voiceover volume a little, so after that, add simple transitions between the clips, such as fade to black or any smooth transition you like. Once everything is set, your video is ready. This is the final review. Check the video. It looks amazing and professional. So today we created this video using free AI tools. First, we generated images using Pictory. Then we created the videos using Grok AI. After that, we generated the voiceover using a free AI voice tool like Pictory. Now your next step is to create a YouTube channel in this niche and start uploading daily. By staying consistent, you can grow fast and start earning from your content. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you